Sure, here's an engaging overview of the 1910 Packard Model, covering introduction, performance, exterior design, interior design, fuel efficiency, and a closing outro. Overview of the 1910 Packard Model. Introduction. In 1910, Packard was a name synonymous with prestige, innovation, and engineering brilliance. The 1910 Packard Model, part of the company's legendary early lineup, stood as a beacon of American luxury during the brass era. Built for the elite and driven by those with a taste for refinement, this model encapsulated the spirit of early 20th century motoring with grace and grandeur. Performance. Under the hood, the 1910 Packard was powered by a robust four-cylinder engine, an engineering feat at the time. With smooth power delivery and reliable torque, it offered a quiet and refined driving experience. The vehicle featured a planetary transmission or a selective sliding gear system depending on the model, allowing for surprisingly nimble handling and control for such a stately automobile. Exterior design. The Packard's exterior was a visual triumph. With its tall, upright stance, brass-accented headlights, and signature Packard radiator grille, it was a rolling work of art. The long, sweeping fenders, elegant coach lines, and open touring body style evoked an image of sophistication. Owners could often customize their vehicle with bespoke paint and bodywork, a